In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a module to Skool Course. If you're organizing a course inside Skool, a module is essentially a folder that groups related lessons together. It helps your students move through content in a logical order, and it keeps your classroom tidy as your curriculum grows. Let's walk through the exact process so you can set up a clean, easy-to-navigate learning experience. Start by heading to your community's classroom tab. This is the central place where all of your courses live. Once you're there, find and select the course you want to work on. Opening the course will show you its current structure, including any existing folders and lessons, so you can see where your new module will fit. Next, click the Edit Course button. This puts you into editing mode and reveals the options you need to manage the course's layout and content. Think of this as your workspace for shaping how everything is organized and presented to learners. Now add a new folder to act as your module container. This folder is the module itself, so give it a clear, descriptive name that tells students exactly what they'll find inside. For example, you might name it something like Foundations, Week 1, or Module 3, Advanced Strategies, depending on how your course is structured. A good name helps students quickly understand where they are and what they're about to learn. With the module created, it's time to populate it. Create lessons, also called pages, within that folder. Each lesson is a dedicated space where you can house video, text, and files. Use video for demonstrations or walkthroughs, text for summaries, key takeaways, and step-by-step explanations, and files for downloadable resources like worksheets, slides, or reference guides. Keeping each lesson focused on a single topic makes it easier for learners to follow along and revisit specific concepts later. As you add lessons to the folder, think about the flow. Introduce the topic first, then go deeper with examples or tutorials, and wrap up with resources or next steps. Short, clearly named lessons tend to work best, and placing any supporting files right alongside the content helps students find what they need without hunting around. That's the whole process. Go to your community's classroom tab, select your course, click Edit Course, add a new folder to serve as the module, and create lessons inside it for your videos, text, and files. With this structure in place, your course becomes easier to navigate and far more engaging for your students.